Alright guys, what's this? A broken refractor and a reflector? Oh my god, it's a Westinghouse Street light. Okay, so, and you remember the parking lot that I was showing the street lights off of? I got one of them. They're still taking the rest of them down. I will just surprise you or show you what other ones I'm going to be getting. If I get the other ones, I know I'm getting a clamshell one, because he said that there's one on the side of the building that they're taking down as well. The other ones could be another day, where they're staying those up. But this one came down. 1,000 watts. Westinghouse. First Westinghouse fixture. I kind of went to the restoration a little bit for you guys, but we're going to be cleaning the rest of this out. Let's spray some WD-40 on this. He said that it does not work, but it's just fine, because I will not be testing this since it's 1,000 watts. So the inside of this fixture is black. Oh, and by the way, this thing fell from a pole. This thing was on a pole, and they didn't have the right tools. These bolts are rusted, and they had knocked this down. And this fell from about the pole is higher, probably that high of that power line. Maybe a little shorter. Fell from that pole. The only thing that broke, the bulb and the refractor. Here's the part of the refractor that I got, which is found inside the fixture. And this fixture stayed in no bends. They couldn't get it off, so they cut the pole. My mom was jumping off of school, and we noticed that the pole streetlights were gone. So they took these down, obviously. And they had, after they got these down, when I got this, there's the long wires. They had, oh, there's a bee. They had cut the pole down after my mom dropped me off because my mom dropped me off at school. And she went back there and asked for the streetlights, and, yeah. So here's what the actual rag looks like right now. This is going to be my cleaning rag. It's not been used yet, but until now. This will probably be a memorial of what it's been used for. Fucking street light. WD-40 can also be used for cleaning, since it has some nice toxic chemicals. Here's this. So the part of the refractor is right here. It's got some moss in it. Here's the fixture. The bulb is broken. Here's the door. Refractor is also broken, like you just saw. 2 capacitors, ballast, and yeah. So now we're gonna get to the top. Let's put the door back on so we have somewhere to rest it on, or something to rest it on. Something to rest it on. And let's clean this door off next. I don't know what that is. And let's show you the top of this next. Hold on, I need to lift this up. Dun dun dun. Yeah, there's bird shit on this thing. It's disgusting. The photocell did break. I'm gonna try and get this photocell off. I think this is a 70s fixture. Not too sure. Let me know what this fixture is called, at least. Okay. This is going to take some scrubbing. This is disgusting. Bird shit everywhere. Disgusting. Well, I got as much as I cut off. But that's what I'm going to restore it for. I don't really have enough tools. I do have that ruster. Wait, let's try that. All right, I have an idea. I got this brush, and I'm going to attach it to my drill and see if I can scrape the bird poop off. Got it on. See if it works. Oops. Let's see how that works. Let's get the cleaning. It's definitely did some changes. Okay. We've done some changes. A lot more. Since this towel's already damp, we could just use the towel again. Let's get it a little bit wet from the concrete. Let's wipe off. Probably as much as we're gonna get. The rest of this is just corrosion. I got the seagull shit off. It was in a parking lot at a random, it's like one of those Hornet. And hold on. Sorry, my annoying ass friend Jacory joined. Proceeded to say that I look like a parking lot even though he's built like a fucking trash can. Anyways, we'll clean the rest of this off. Getting the bird shit off. Kind of scraping it off, wiping it off, stuff like that. Years of it. And you may be wondering why is the refractor off. That's because we're about to get the corrosion out of this side off now. I'm too lazy to do this. I'm gonna do this later. Well, time to get the arm off. I'm gonna use the unrust tactic.